Friends, we all wish to install a good touchscreen car stereo in our vehicle which can help us in navigation, Bluetooth calling, listen to music, watch video and so on. Well, today I will share my experience of Unplug 9-inch Android Universal Car Stereo that I got installed in my Nissan Magnite SUV after 10 months. Let's start the review. Well, Unplug is a reliable brand as far as car touchscreen stereos are concerned. I got the 1GB RAM and 16GB ROM model. It has a 9-inch high-resolution IPS display with full HD support. The processor is 1.3 GHz and it comes with official Android 9. Model is BBT101. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass. It comes with a 1-year warranty. You can get 2 USB slots to play the content. I got JBL 300 watt speakers fitted in all the 4 doors. However, the sound was not at all good and so I went for an amplifier from AutoStar that I got installed under the seat. Now the sound is superb. A rear camera from my TVS is also installed. Remember to get the correct bezel frame for the best fitting. Let's look at all the features quickly. On the main screen we can see the navigation, BT, apps, music, car settings. The main features I use are navigation with Google Maps and listening music. You have Play Store which allows you to install apps that you want. There is radio option to listen as well. Connection through Bluetooth on your phone will allow you to take calls as well as dial them. When you enable your mobile hotspot, your car stereo can then connect to the same through Wi-Fi. Now you can run apps like YouTube. Let's play a video on YouTube at 1080p. Wow, look at the clarity. Let's hear a NCS song on YouTube to test the sound. Please remember this sound is good because of the amplifier. I have downloaded Spotify Lite app because 1GB RAM is so slow to load the app. Seriously, Google Maps also take a lot of time to load and really test my patience. However, once the maps are loaded and you have entered your destination, the navigation works very well. I would suggest anyone buying a car stereo to go for at least 2GB RAM model and not the 1GB one, even if you have to spend more. The reverse camera works very well and helps a lot, especially while reversing big cars. Friends, car touchscreen system really are an excellent source of entertainment. Just remember to buy the 2GB RAM model at least. I would suggest you to explore your local car accessories market and then decide the touchscreen system that you want to buy. They are all made in China and have almost the same interface and features. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Unplug. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.